Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix sign out not available due to restriction on Apple ID. So, if you are trying to sign out your Apple ID and then you see sign out unavailable due to restrictions, then here's a video for you. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can fix this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix sign out unavailable or not available due to restrictions on Apple ID, all you need to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Now, scroll down the screen time page, tap turn off app and website activities. You'll be prompted to type in your screen time passcode, then go ahead and type in your screen time passcode. Then it should say turn off app and website activity. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you can just come back again to confirm whether you can now sign out from your Apple account. If this is still not available as it is, hit the back button. Go back to the screen time again and click on it. Scroll down, locate change screen time passcode and click on it. Now tap turn off screen time passcode. Go ahead and type in your current screen time passcode to turn off screen time passcode. Then you should see lock screen time settings. Then go back, open your Apple account on the main settings page, scroll down. Now you should see send out enabled. Now the send out unavailable due to restrictions on your Apple ID has been fixed. Now here's the game. If you turn on screen time on your iPhone, this is going to disable the feature to send out of the Apple account. So what you need to do is go ahead and turn off the screen time. So if you use iPhone 6 or iPhone 7, iPhone 8, you should see a feature to turn off the screen time straight. But on device that uses iOS 17 or iOS 18, you will not be able to turn off the screen time. Just go ahead, turn off app and website activity, and at the same time click on change screen time passcode and then turn off screen time passcode. Once that is off, then you should be able to fix the send out not available due to restriction on your Apple ID. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.